Well. Hello everyone, what is up? Louis Vlogs and Games here. Welcome back to another new video on the channel and welcome to the 103rd vlog of the vlog series. Oh, this is getting exciting. We are going to Resorts World for the third time this year because there is something in Resorts World that we would consider doing a few weeks ago and we are doing it today. So let's go over and see what we are up to. And we're back on the motorway on the M42 heading towards Birmingham Resorts World. And here we are then at Resorts World Arena for the third time. It was a nice drive of course, apart from someone getting kidnapped in the out car. So this is our third time here at Resorts World. So trip one was to go to the concert of Young Voices. Number two was Bear Grylls. And this time, let's bowl a strike in bowling. Anyways, I've been practicing a lot recently on my bowling skills and I've been doing a little bit better. Not on the Wii, but I've been practicing more on bowling straight down the middle, bowling the strikes and all that. And the last time I went bowling, I can't believe I just lost. And I'm not losing to Alan again. Because apparently you scored more points than me. Let's just see how many points that we can get in today's bowling match. We're going to make our way inside the Resorts World now, as we now make our way over to the Hollywood Bowl. This is it then. We've made it. First time coming here as well. Going for a bowl. Let's go inside. And we have stepped inside Hollywood Bowl. This one is actually a new one that just opened recently, as this one was opened almost a year ago from today. We booked a game for 1:30. We're going to make our way up to the reception, get the game booked, and we can get our bowling game started. We had a little look around Hollywood Bowl. We will be playing the arcades in a bit. But first, our bowling game must be done and over with. So let's make our way over to lane number 3, where we are going to be playing our bowling game here. We've been called to come to lane 3. And we're about to get this game set up now, and then we're going to start bowling. Hopefully I can get on the leaderboard. Who knows what could happen? Let's get the game started. And with that, our bowling game has now started, and I managed to get some good highlights of today's competition. So let's see how well things can go and what could go wrong. And we're now on to the second frame that quickly. No wonder how the ball did not knock that last pin over, but let's carry on. I didn't get anything from that. If that's how you're going to bowl the ball, then somehow you hurt your fist.
Right, John Martin.
Unbelievable, Jeff. This motherfucker's going down. Down.
And with that, a spare was picked up. But let's see if this bowl will make any difference. Well, at least I got the same thing, which is a good thing.
Again.
Well, at least the viewers are still alive, which is a good thing. Anyways, let's continue. And this was a little naughty. Not even surprised that Mario is also filming a few TikToks, and one of them was a massive fail.
Oh, it's time for me to catch up now.
My son, Louis.
Looks like someone's getting warm, that's for sure. Lost for words, but that's what it is. And it wasn't long later until this happened. Yeah, what you expect. And you would never get anywhere closer to a strike. Perfect moment for Mr. Teal getting attacked by a balloon. It fallen over too late, and that pen is still staying up. Then it was Lowen's final shot, and this one went horribly wrong. Wow, what a coincidence. Lowen just threw the ball onto the opposite lane and knocked one pin down. Well, that definitely helped someone by the name of Bonnie. Lowen, what the heck happened? You cost someone else a shot. And that was our game of 10-pin bowling. And let's have a look at the scores, and there it is. Should have played way better than I thought, but somehow didn't play my greatest today. So our bowling game is over, and it's not over yet for us here at Hollywood Bowl. We've got some time to try out the arcades. Lowen's first pick was Red Zone Rush. All you have to do is to push the footballs into the winning zone to win some tickets. With one ball collected, we managed to collect some tickets. Then we get to some air hockey business with me and Milo, and the score is all squared. Now I am winning 5 points to 3. Then I scored an own goal. That's 4 now for Milo. I did take the victory after all. And this is why I hate claw machines. And even Milo is still carrying so much for his balloon that he doesn't want to let go of it. He is not concentrating enough on the piano pressing game. The score could have been way better though. And then it's 3 players versus basketballer. And due to the littlest one in the family here, well, we were struggling. And that was our final arcade game, as we're getting rather hungry.
Floor -1, door.
Yep, we're going to Nando's today because I thought I could have another chicken burger, because sure, why not? Let's go inside. And this is where we're going to have our dinner. Let's get comfy. So, we made it to Nando's, and let's have a look at what the brothers want to eat. One with you, Marla. What do you want to have?
Chicken burger.
Thank you. What about you?
Same.
Chips and a chicken burger?
Yeah.
I'll consider it a chicken burger with some spicy chicken.
Yeah. Very delicious indeed.
With just a few more minutes later, the food has arrived. Chips along with a chicken burger. Now for the food testing.
Very delicious indeed. It's just a good lumpy neighbour.
You would only imagine him working in a Nando's. There it is. Want to do the countdown?
3, 2,
1.
What's the time?
That is very delicious indeed, and I enjoy that. Yeah, it was only 1 bite, but the rest of it was very good. Anyways, that unfortunately means that our time here at Resorts World is coming to an end. So there's only one more thing left to do, is to pay for the parking and exit Resorts World. So I guess it's now time to wrap up today's video. So there we have it then. We had just finished our experience at the Resorts World. It was fun playing bowling, having Nando's and 4 balls down the clown machine. I wouldn't stand a chance of beating that Anglo and throwing the ball down the wrong lane. What were you thinking? Right then, so since that's over, we're going to wrap up today's video here. I just want to say thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you all enjoyed. If you want to see more videos like this one, you know what to do. Drop a like, comment, share and subscribe to our videos. And we'll see you a lot in the next one. Until next time, bye guys, see ya!